Today's template, guys, we have Simply Juices. I am going to show you how to customize, add a photo if you like, and don't forget, you can find these templates at thecraftprintshop.com. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you already purchased your template, thank you so much, and let me get straight into what you need. Okay, so once you've purchased your lemonade, whether it's the raspberry lemonade, it's the regular lemonade, or the orange juice to go with the Simply bottles, once you get your download from your purchase, you're going to select the link that shows you where to go to the template, and you will end up here. If you ended up here and you just found me on YouTube or Instagram or a search, I'll have the link to purchase this template from thecraftprintshop.com in the description of this video. So you're going to select use template for new design, and it will bring you here in Canva. Now, if you want it to look exactly like the box, you're going to go into each label and type in the name, right? Let's say you want to change that background of the raspberry. You could change it to red. You could change it to green. You could change it to a purple, whichever you choose, right? Then if you want to add an image or even remove these, you could just click on them and delete them if you want to. But if you're matching the same bottle, like the raspberry, I don't think you would want to. But if you want to add an image, you could go over here to uploads, select your picture. Just going to bring this down a little bit, move in those, right? Then you're going to remove the background, and it has a little crown next to background remover. You need to have Canva Pro, which is about $12.99 per month, in order to use any feature that has these little crowns on them. Let me just move that away. So we're going to remove the background, and then you see your image is there if you want to use it, right? In this, honestly, I mean, you could fit it in, but I don't really see an image fitting here unless you decide to remove the fruit altogether and leave your image. But I don't like that because you see those sharp edges. We'll just play around with it. Let's position this fruit to the front and have the fruit right there kind of block off those edges. So we're going to do a duplicate for this one. And when you go to flip, we'll flip horizontal. There we go. And just have the fruit right on the side. So look at that. So you want to have just like a picture, you can do that too. I'm going to bring this back to the original color to match the bottle. And that's it. This is how you would design your own, right? So what we can do now, what you should be doing now is going to file and make sure you save this. I'm just going to randomly just put something. So whatever you want it to be named, so that this is what it's going to be named in your Canva account. Then you're going to select enter, and that'll save the name. Then we're going to print. You're going to go to share. You're going to go to download, choose PDF print, flatten PDF, download. Once you have your download open, I'm going to send this file print, and we're only printing on sticker paper because you want it to stick directly onto the bottle. I'm using the Epson EcoTank 16600. I'm going to select the rear feeder, photo glossy paper, the photo high gloss paper, and the defaults to best. I'm going to send it to, and that'll be the same with all of the flavors of the Simply juices. I came back with the orange juice template just to show you guys. You can double click not only on the name, but also if you want to change the word orange, you want to change juice, you even want to change simply, you can change the wording on these as well. And for the size, you can put in whatever wording you want to add there. Okay, so we have all of our labels, whichever one you are making. We have the orange juice, we have the lemonade, and we have the raspberry lemonade. All on sticker paper, because the less work we have to do, the better. So if you look closely, you'll see the difference in the white and where you should be cutting. So you're going to cut, and yes, we are cutting these. That simple. We got our juices. We'll start with the lemonade. I got that one a little slanted. You got to make sure you get it straight. Hold on. And there you have it. Your custom lemonades. So if this is your first time here, your first time seeing me, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The template to purchase, it's going to be on my website, thecraftprintshop.com. All links will be in the video description. And if you want to be notified when I upload another video, whether it's a template assembly video or a tutorial or some tips and tricks, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys for the next upload.